Alrighty. Just found this giant female Cuban tree frog here. This girl is humongous. Now I don't want her to get away, so I'm not putting any pressure on her so this doesn't hurt her. She's just kind of chilling out right here. You can see just how beautiful she is right there. We had just found that other Cuban tree frog too. So this girl is also coming with us. Saving Florida ecosystems one invasive at a time. Isn't that right, pretty girl? She's huge, guys. That's a massive Cuban tree frog right there.